In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of setting up a new pattern. Start by clicking the plus icon on the patterns card. This will open up 3 options for you to choose from. Select this option to start a pattern from scratch. Upload a pattern file from your computer if you have one ready. Choose a pattern from your inventory that you've created previously and wish to modify. For this tutorial, let's create a new pattern by selecting New. Now you'll need to associate your pattern with a product. You have 2 choices: either create a new product by clicking New, or pick from inventory. Select this option to choose a product that you've already created. In this case, we'll pick the product from our previous tutorial. Your product is now associated with the pattern. Click New once more. MyRobot.cloud will automatically generate a pattern suggestion for you. You can browse through several suggestions by using the arrows below the illustration. At the top, you can view key metrics for each pattern, including the number of boxes, total height, weight, layers, pallet efficiency, and center of mass height. Start by giving your pattern a name and, if necessary, provide a description. Choose the type of pallet you want to use. For this example, we'll use the Europe 1 pallet. Select the stacking method for your pattern and insert the correct number of layers. You have the option to add product padding and overhang, but we'll skip that for now. If you want Pally to arrange the boxes with labels only facing outward, choose label direction outwards. If you want to focus on efficiency, select Optimized. Pally will then optimize the cases per minute for you. If you have grip limitations, you can set that under max grip. If not, choose Auto and Pally will multi-pick as efficient as possible. If you have required palletizing speeds, specify the number of cases per minute. If needed, you can further customize your pattern by clicking Customize. We'll cover customization in a future in-depth tutorial. For now, we are satisfied with the pattern we have created. Click Create. Now that you have both the product and pattern configured, click Save. You'll see a list of all your stored patterns. You can download a JSON file of the pattern, generate a report to share with your colleagues, or proceed to simulate the pattern immediately. To get back to where you started, click on your organization and hit Dashboard.